Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to increase the performance of WordPress website. This is the last lesson and I will provide the instruction set for that. So I am going to make the changes as the instruction shows one by one. So first step is uh, go to cPanel multi INI editors and change these settings. So I'm logged into cPanel and search for multi PHP INI editor. So first setting is enable allow URL if open, and I will choose the location as the main domain, and this is also enable. And next step, increase memory limit to 256 to 512. And this is memory limit also 512, and this compression enable and apply changes. Also we can find the website performance from gtmetrics.com and enter the URL link here. So I usually do the increased performance of the WordPress website after finish all the settings and this design on WordPress website as the final step. I already also remind you the steps. First, we choose the domain and hosting, and then after the domain is registered, we pointed the hosting name servers to Cloudflare, and that is the first step before the install the WordPress. Next one is install the WordPress, and then we can install suitable WordPress theme, and after then we install the SEO plugin. I use Rank Math SEO, and then we choose the WooCommerce and other related plugins. Also, there are more plugins that support to WooCommerce, example Facebook page synchronization with WooCommerce and weight based shipping plugin. There are a lot of plugins. You can easily learn them from searching. So for now, the website performance is 59 and the loading time is 3.8 seconds. So uh, we will keep this like this, and also we can download the performance report, regular report, free. And the next step is point domain to Cloudflare, so it can help to increase performance 2 or 3 times. So I already done this, so I'm going to next thing, update PHP version to uh, latest. So I'm going to dashboard. I search multi PHP manager. So in here we can change the PHP version. So I am going to choose 8.0. Select the domain and click on apply. So it is done. So next step is optimize web and select compress all or compress the specify. Go into cPanel and search for compression optimization website, and I select compress all content and click on update settings. And the next step is so also we done it using BT metrics. We can scan the performance. Then optimize database. So there is only database that provided by WooCommerce, so it is also arranged and updated. So this step is done, and we can make a install a cache plugin. So I'm going to install cache plugin. Go to plugins and add new and search for total cache. And this is the plugin that I am going to use. Click on install. And click on active. So there is more settings, uh, and I click on view required changes and copy this code. So we have to update in wp config php file. So I'm going to cPanel and ftp file manager. Sorry. File manager, and public HTML. Here wp config php. Right click and click on edit. Click on edit. So already copy the code, and I'm going to paste it in here. So I'm going to paste in here and click on save changes. save and refresh the WP dashboard. Okay, that thing is done. So also the total cache plugin suggests to turn off the slip.output compression, so I'm going to again multi editor and select the domain and turn off the slip output and click on apply and reload the WordPress dashboard. Okay, that thing also done. So I'm going to WT3 total cache settings. So this is the welcome wizard and I click accept. And next, test page cache. Click on next and the database cache. And click on next and test object cache. And click on next and browser cache. Click on next and lazy load images. Click on next, hold on and go to the dashboard. And the next step is update all plugins themes to latest version. So I'm going to plugins and select all plugins and make enable auto update and apply. Okay, all are allowed to auto upgrade, so that is step done. And we need heartbeat control API, So I'm going to add new plugin, and I'm search for WP Rocket heartbeat. I just search heartbeat. So this is the plugin we need to install. Click on install. Click on active. Okay, when it is done, we can change settings from here and also show dashboard. So the next step, we have to disable WP default cron job. So I'm going to click on this link. This is the guidance, and I'm going to cron jobs. So first I want to disable the cron jobs. So this is the command. I copy it and change the WP config to PHP file again. File manager, public HTML, and WP config.php. Click on edit, and paste the code in here, and click on save changes. Okay, and then we are going to add new cron jobs. And we are going to copy this link code and copy this and go to cron job and paste the command here, and make sure to change the domain in here. So my domain is handybars.lk. So I need to add once per 30 minutes, or I can add twice per hour in here, and click on add new cron job. So it's done. So this is done, and everyone wanted WordPress installation, so I have only the WordPress installation for the main domain. So it is also done, and now we can test the performance again. So we make some progress. Let's see what else we can do. And I click on retest. and I am going to make changes on this enable, and I does not enable the Minifee caching because it affects the CSS. Then it will affect to the design, website design, and database cache, object cache, CDN, and lazy load images. And save all settings. And I will retest. So now all's done. 99 performance, and time this. So also we can use website images with not high resolution images, and we can compress the high resolution images and gain the low resolution images. So example, for this image we will see it is 57 kilobyte, it is okay, and this thing 155 kilobytes. So choose images like this, and I am going to remove unwanted images that import by the Cadence template, and does not need these images. And delete permanently. Okay. So I hand over the project after the all settings and design done, and optimize these performance report. And again I am going to select some photos. Click on delete. Click on refresh. Okay, we have some problem. I think the site statistics deploy to the highest value it has, so I'll wait some times this thing. So I will upload this document to the LMS. Still statistic is high. Okay, now the site statistic is normal. So then we can refresh the WordPress dashboard. yes and delete them. Delete. Okay, photos are deleting. Okay, so also there is very important plugin that help to uh, connect the WooCommerce Store mobile app to your phone. We need to have the security plugin. I search for Jetpack, and this is the plugin, and click on install. Also, I am going to create WordPress account for the client's email. And I am going to accounts. And I click on sign up. And I choose username, password, first name, last name, and use the email, and click on create account. So also click on active Jetpack. So I'm going to set up Jetpack. Click on setup. It will refresh the browser. I think my internet connection is corrupted. Reload the WordPress dashboard again. I mistakenly create Namecheap account, not WordPress account. So I'm going to create WordPress account. Click on login and click on create a new account and email address, client's email address. This one, and you can this. And click on create account. And select use a domain I own. And click on map your domain and the pass.lk and add. So I am not going to use the plan. And I will log into the WordPress account. Click on continue. Okay, for now I have WordPress account and click on setup Jetpack. So then I will show the mobile app that I have installed. This is the WordPress app and this is my site. I am not going to enter this website because it is not mine. I am going to add the WordPress website in the client's mobile phone. So if we install the WordPress app and connect the WordPress account, we can download the WooCommerce app and log into the WooCommerce app through the WordPress account. So it will connect the store to the website, and in here we can see the orders and reviews, and we can make changes of orders, mark orders as complete. I will show when it's finished the loading. So this is the orders. I can manage them here, and this is the products, new product available, and this is the reviews. So this is the WordPress WooCommerce app. So I am going to configure in client's phone, not my phone, and also we can set up the Jetpack, and this is the email account, and click on approve. and I am not going to use paid plan. I am going to go for free plan. And these features we can get: downtime monitoring. If the WordPress site is down, we will receive the email, and we will receive notification on WordPress app and the WooCommerce app. So I keep the default settings. And the all settings is done. Now we can deliver the website to the client. And go to dashboard. Also there is additional settings on Jetpack. Click on these things for something. Okay. So in here we can use this link to sign in the mobile app. So for now the whole work is done, so I'm going to make extra user for my access. Okay, we will refresh the statistic. Okay, I delete this test user. Confirm delete. And I'm going to create user and name this, email this, and password. I enter password and get administrator and admin user. So I have account, so I can log into the WordPress dashboard if customer want more editing after the order was delivered. So also I am going to create a new contact in the client area so I can contact with my emails related to site issues. And click on save changes. Okay, now I am done the settings. So thank you.